no? De, pero ano ha, kasama natin ngayon si, of course, si Chef Markus and si Chef JV Bautista. Pero for now, unahin natin si Chef JV para mag-share ng kanyang recipe. Chef JV, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. So, ano recipe natin this morning?
Ang recipe natin this morning is the fluffy scrambled egg. Then, comes with the chicken strips.
Oh, so fluffy scrambled eggs with chicken strips. Okay, interesting. Ano yung ingredients natin?
Ingredients, that's very simple lang. We use egg.
Yan.
Yes.
Okay. We have eggs.
We have eggs. We have a chicken, of course. Then, cream cheese, butter. There we go.
Di, okay lang. Sige, game.
Yeah.
So, we have the eggs, and then we have
the parsley, garlic, chicken strips,
okay,
salt and pepper, rosemary, butter, bread, and of course, a vegetable.
Okay. So, dito sa recipe na to, you used 4 eggs, no?
Yes, 4 eggs.
That's the way I see it. Okay. Sige, teach us how to do this ba? Paano ba yan? Okay, game.
First, you're gonna put the parsley, then
Sa bowl with the eggs.
yes, eggs. Right. Then put the cream cheese.
So the cream cheese is for the egg. Kaya fluffy.
Kaya fluffy.
Kaya fluffy. All right.
And salt and pepper. Very simple.
So cream cheese, salt, and pepper.
Yes. Then whisk.
So kaya pala when I was looking at it, yung texture niya medyo maganda,
yes,
medyo okay.
And the chicken.
Oh, this is chicken breast, no?
Yes, chicken breast.
All right.
So salt and pepper, rosemary. That's it. Very simple. For the...
Yun. And this is the breast, so mabilis lang mag-cook yan. So,
for the floppy, it should be low, medium heat lang.
Okay, low to
para
medium
makuha natin yung floppy na consistency.
All right. And then?
Then, use the... Of course, you can use the rubber scraper.
Okay. All right. And then after
for the chicken, you, first... You saute the garlic.
So that's minced garlic.
Yes, the minced garlic.
And then, of course, ito yung chicken breast.
Ito na yung chicken breast natin.
And then they have to be, maingat lang kasi yung chicken breast, mabilis mag-dry.
Yes, mabilis mag-dry din.
Usually, visual lang to. Bago maluto na yan eh. Ayun, alright.
So, mabilis siya i-preparation kasi madali siyang maluto.
Yeah, that's right. So, yan. So, cook in garlic, salt, and pepper. Very simple, ano?
Very simple.
Very simple, but good combination with the egg. Yan. So, ito ang parang pinaka-platter mo, no? You have toast, you have yung fluffy eggs, and then that's the chicken breast, no?
Yes.
And then you have some veggies. Ayun. So, ano pa dala natin, Chef?
Then, bukod dyan, we have the French gambas. One of our signature dish. Kasi meron akong store dito sa Timog. It's inside the Yard Street Food Cinema.
What's the name of the store?
House of Griddle. Ito yung suot ni Chef Markus.
Ayun, alright.
So, we have international dishes served with rice.
Ano yung mga bestseller niya doon?
One of our bestsellers, yung nasa menu natin, which is the shrimp gambas. And we also have steak.
You also have steak there?
Yes, it's Australian beef, so it's a premium steak.
So yung, what time usually open yung place niya?
Operate kami 4 till 12 midnight because food park is a night market.
Yeah. All right. And may mga Facebook accounts kayo?
Yes, we have Facebook account. We have Instagram. You can check it on
Griddle.
Yes, House of Griddle.
And Instagram is the same?
Yes, same.
All right. Contact number?
Then our contact number is there on screen.
All right. 0915-7568-1003. Ayun. Alright, thank you very much, Chef JB. And of course, punta ngayon natin si Chef Markus Patimo. Of course, pasta.
Yes,
no?
Penne pasta ang ginamit ko.
Penne pasta na Alfredo. Okay, ingredients.
So, ito po yung ating mga ingredients. Ayan. Butter, garlic, flour, parsley, dried basil, oregano, salt and pepper, and milk, and chicken.
And chicken. Chicken breast rin to, no? Ginamit
Yes,
ito. Chicken breast. Alright. Game, turo mo na.
So, unang ginawa ko po, bale, nagsaute ako. Yan, so, nilagay yung butter, then sinatay ko yung chicken breast. After maluto, yan, sinasahid ko na siya, tapos nilagay ko siya ng salt and pepper. Yan. Ang gamit ko is pink salt.
Pink salt.
Yan. Then, saute lang din. Then, after nun, nag-aduli ako ng butter para naman sa garlic natin and sa roux. Wow, roux. Then, i-add na natin yung ating flour.
So ginamit mo for the Alfredo is a roux.
Roux,
Okay.
Tapos, yan. So, nag-add na lang din ako ng konting butter. Yan. Then, i-add ko ang ating milk. Yan. Hanggang sa mag-thicken siya. Yan po. And then, hinahalo-halo ko lang din siya. Then, add ko na yung ating oregano and ang ating basil.
Oregano and basil.
Yes po. Then, after po niyan, i-add ko na po yung ating chicken and yung ating pasta. Penne pasta.
Yung
So,
penne
niluto ko
pasta.
lang po siya kanina. Yan. Half cook lang
So
din.
very simple lang din pala.
Yes po. So, sobrang bilis lang din yung ating Alfredo chicken pasta.
So maganda sa penne kasi yung mga holes sa middle na pumapasok doon yung sauce di ba?
Yes.
So very flavorful. Yan. Of course, gusto natin yan, al dente yung noodles. Yan. So yan ang Alfredo chicken na penne ni Chef Markus. And si Chef Markus, ano itong maputing makulay na dala mo?
Ano po siya? Egg with bacon.
Ano to? Egg and bacon.
Yes po.
Tapos, sunny
Ito lang
side
siya.
up.
Yes.
Sunny side up pala. Interesting yung shape niya.
Opo.
Ano yan, naka-available yan sa House of Griddle.
Hindi po. Bale, ginawa ko lang siya sa
Personal
bahay.
recipe mo yan.
Opo, binigay ko lang siya.
Pero magkasama kayo, di ba?
Ako, magkasama mo.
Magkasama ka. Pero sige, promote ka ulit.
Yun. So, sa mga gusto pong magpa-consult, pwede niyo pong makontak sa Facebook page ko. Yan. Markus Patimo or sa IG. Yan. Markus Patimo din. Or sa aking contact number, 0956 ano ba yun? 0956-321-2150. Yan. So, yun po.
Alright. May babatiin ba kayo?
Ayun.
So, greet ko lang mga parents ko, friends. Hello. Kilala niyo sino kayo.
And good morning.
Good morning.
Alright. And one more time, invite to sila sa House of Griddle.
Oh, yes. House of Riddle, we're open every day. So, 4 p.m. to
4 p.m. 12 midnight.
Open tayo. Then yung food natin,
Located at
located at Timog
Timog.
Avenue in front of Laugh Line. Inside siya ng The Yard Street Food Cinema.
Ayun.
So,
Alright. So,
yes.
4 p.m. to 12
Yes.
midnight.
Yung
kayo
food
open.
natin is very affordable for international dishes.
Ayan. Check it out. Alright. Maraming salamat sa ating dalawang guest chef ngayon. And thank you. Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.